Introducing Huhubol X109, the perfect cordless tool for all your soldering needs. X109 is designed to be ergonomic and lightweight, providing you with optimal comfort and control during your soldering tasks. Using X109 is a piece of cake. Simply plug a soldering iron tip into it, and just turn it on. It will heat up quickly and be ready to go. The precision tip effortlessly glides over the circuit board, creating seamless connections with precision and accuracy. From repairing electrical wires to building custom electronic circuits, X109 is your reliable companion. With its fine tip precision, it can effortlessly cut through plastic, allowing you to work on intricate designs and crafts. Whether you're drawing intricate patterns on a wooden board, drilling holes to create small flower pots, or simply working on various handcrafting projects, X109 has got you covered. Worried about running out of power? Fear not. X109 can be powered in multiple ways. Simply replace the batteries for uninterrupted usage, or connect it to a power bank or a socket for charging. It's that simple. Get your Huhubol X109 today and take your crafting and DIY projects to the next level.